Nigerian soul and proud to serve our sovereign motherland. Our flag shall be your symbol, that truth and justice reign. In peace all bow to honor, and this we count as gain. To hand unto our children a banner without stain. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed.
We declare peace and revival upon every sector in Nigeria. Nigeria, we declare fruitfulness upon you. Èmi àti àjọrè Nigeria yìí á dára fún wa lórúkọ Jésù. Àmín.
I declare restoration and blessings in Nigeria economy. Nigeria will not be enslaved in the name of Jesus. Chineke gozie Nigeria.
We declare God's mercy upon Nigeria in the name of Jesus. Island Church, we eat the good of Nigeria in the name of Jesus. Allah Yateme Ki Nigeria.